Righto, what we're looking at here is how to figure out what the problem is. So we're looking at this page here. We've got two albums here. One's got funny characters and the other one's got normal characters. So click on both of those, get them open. The one with normal characters shows as we expected to. The album is showing. The one with funny characters doesn't show. It's almost showing, but the area that we expect to show isn't showing. So we've got to figure out why. So we have a look at the URL. This one here, audio albums, is controlled by this one here, item audio templates, item albums. And in here we need to know what's going on this page. Is this page even showing? World. There we go. Refresh that page, but clear the caches. Actually, we'll go inside there. Move that back to there. Reset the caches. And what I expect to see here is if that page is being rendered on this page here, then we should get Hello World coming out there. And it does. So we know we're getting up to that point there, but we're not getting any further than that. So we take a look there. Hello World, we've got this if in here. Section 1, where does that go down to? There. Section 2. And repeat. Reset the caches. And that's not that one's the one that's not working. Refresh that. Right, so we're in section 2 here. So we're not interested in what's going on up there. If is at post 2, then do this section. Otherwise do this section. See what we've got in there. Debug. Oh, need to reset the caches again. There's our stuff. So down in post we've got this funny weird character coming in there on post 2. That's interesting. So this thing here is getting to where we need it to get to. It's getting into the post, so we've got it available in our template. Why is it not working? So let's have a look at what's going on. Looks like we're capturing a template there for use in something. Here's the end of the capture, and it is used in here. Call list searching on post 2. Righto. So down there, post 2 is that funny weird character coming in from the URL. So we've got a call list that's searching on post 2. Let's see what post 2 is. Grab that, reset the caches again. Post 2 is this weird character, and on this side, on the one that is working, post 2 is second. So it's something to do with those weird characters. And so it's something in our core list that isn't functioning when using those characters in there. Let's see if what it's searching on in the database. What's that called? Audio album URL is what it's looking for. That one doesn't have one. Right, so there's our issue. We've got these long squiggly URL converted characters coming in from our is what the album is supposed to be searching on. So if we grab that, copy that over there, put that one into here, and then we come back to here, reset the caches. So now instead of using this thing, the post 2 there, it's just gonna it's been hard coded in there, so every album's going to show that same one if it can find it. And it's working. Okay, so we know if the correct URL, this one will also show that exact same thing because it's been hard coded in there. So we know if we get the URL, if we get what the search this section, if we can get this out into the core list, then we can then the search will work correctly. But the problem is that this URL encoded string isn't being sent correctly. We're getting this one here instead, so that's the issue. That's the problem. The problem is what's coming in from the URL does not line up with what's in the database. So the solution is make it line up. If it lines up, then everything's going to work correctly. So the problem there is we've got to change this post 2 into that. And how do we do that? Well, we figure out how this is originally got into the database in the first place. There's quite a lot in there. Encode. There we go, that looks like the one. So what it's doing to get it in there is going URL encode, string to lower, and then on the original name. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that and go and then search on that one instead. Okay, and see what that does. Reset the caches. That's working there. That's got the old one back there. Right, so that's get rid of that. Reset the caches again. Still got the section 2 in there. As soon as that's gone, we should be good to go. And debug. Righto. Reset the caches. Good. Now we're working again. So if we go back to the albums, click on that now.